Yo mga kulot! Welcome to President Ramon Magsaysay State University. Abay, magtatanong tayo ngayon sa masisipag nating mag-aaral. Don't worry, kasi general info lamang. Bawat tamang sagot, 100 pesos. Kapag nakafollow, abay additional 100 pesos. Ngayon, masusubukan ang galing at talino ng isang Ramonians. Disclaimer lamang po, ito po ay isang katuwaan lamang. Tara na't maglibot mga kulot!
Ako po si Jirda, CSIT Fulltech po.
What is the largest part of the body?
Skin po.
Tama, correct.
Hi, I'm Mike Iron Padaw, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
Who is the father of evolution?
Yeah. Charles Darwin.
Correct.
John Pergo, Brent, PSCS.
What is DNA?
Ay, hindi ko po alam. Biglang ismay ako. Kala ko kung ano lang.
What is the largest whale?
Female. Tama yun.
Blue whale.
Blue whale. Sperm whale. Mali. Tama.
Last na talaga. Chemical symbol of water.
H2O.
Correct.
Naway ko ba ito? Use 100.
I'm Jam Laurelia, BSCS for
7 times 7.
42. Mali.
I take the complete the phrase, ang hindi magmahal sa sariling wika ay masahol pa sa
Lansang isda.
correct.
Hello po, I'm Sam Joshua Daplan and yung course ko po is B7.
What is the chemical symbol of gold?
Chemical symbol, AU.
Nakapalo ka kasi akalat.
Opo.
200 sana. Thank you bro.
Roger May Kayaban po. BSIT.
What is DNA? Pass po, pass. Then is the study of?
Plants.
Correct. Sige po.
Ako pala si Jeff Abela. BSIT po.
In math, 80 minus 7.
80 minus 7 po.
80 minus 7 plus 50.
87? Ay!
What is the square root of 64? Eight.
Sabi niya!
Last na. Who is the founder of Apple?
Paul? Paul? Wala rin. Wala bulan.
What is the center of the solar system?
Earth. Ako pala saan?
What is the third planet in the solar system?
Earth.
Ayun!
Yun!
Thank you po yan.
Pangalan po tayo.
Thank you po. Jeff Abel po. Thank you po kay Sir Win Golan.
Nakapalo po ba?
Nakapalo po.
Patingin.
Patingin.
Oh, nakapalo!
Additional.
Uy, thank you. Thank you, boss.
Hello, mabuhay. My name is Rain Albes. Sa umaga, I'm Bachelor of Science in Computer Science po.
Hi everyone! This is me, your ultimate baby girl ng San Felipe. This is Asher Falarca from the home of the brain. This is Asher Falarca and my course is Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Hi, and I am Luis Gabriel Aidosete, all the way from the land of the shoe capital of the Philippines.
Sindol!
Mali.
Ay, Shoe Boulevard.
I am Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Thank you.
Okay. Are you ready for our first question, ma'am?
Yes, we are!
Okay. Who is the first Miss Universe from the Philippines?
Gloria Diaz!
Correct! Second question. What is the acronym stands for DPWH?
Department of Welfare. Philippine Charing. Ano DPWH? Department of Welfare. Health? DPWH? Department of
Public Works and Highway.
Ay, ano tayo? Ay,
Ala.
wait lang.
Next question. Who is the brain of Katipunan? Go po.
Lapu-lapu. Ay, Andres Bonifacio. Andres Bonifacio. Ay.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Okay. Panalo pa rin ng 200 pesos.
Thank you po.
Nakapalo po ba kayo?
Ayan.
Joanna Decon. Second year.
What is the inner part of the earth? Correct.
Ako po si Aika Santos from BSIT Food Tech Bar.
What is the square root of 64?
Ate, ikaw
Pass ba? Pass ba? Pwede mag-pass.
Pass!
Pass!
Ate, ikaw engineering!
Okay. How many letters in our alphabet?
26.
Correct. Easy. Ikaw ba naman? Ikaw na.
Diba?
Ano pong pangalan niyo?
Grade lang.
Ano pong mga course niyo?
BTBT.
Ha?
BTBT.
Ano?
Bachelor of Technical Education and Teacher Education.
Ano po yung pinaka-symbol ng water?
H2O.
H2O. Ayan.
Hydrogen plus oxygen.
Give chance kay ate sa math. In math, what is the square root of 64? Correct.
Bachelor of Science, Specialty Math.
I am Rebecca Lee Ortalesa po. Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management.
Okay. Since inline kayo sa science, okay. Science is tatanungin natin. What is branch of science that deals with animals? Zoology. Correct po. Ayan. Si sir. Okay, si sir. How many letters in our alphabet? Correct.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you. Nakapalo po ba kayo?
Ako lang ang palo.
Dahil following sa additional 100. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Ingat po kayo.
Abangan niyo po kami sa inyong paaralan sa mga susunod na araw.